Social competence in teens. Emotional competence is the capacity to interpret, analyze, and control our own emotions. The ability to be compassionate and sensitive when it comes to other people is called social competence. There are certain skills necessary for this, and they come under emotional intelligence. It includes self awareness, social awareness, self management, and peer relationships. Let's start with self awareness. This means youngsters should acknowledge their emotions. We should be able to understand the source of a person feeling a certain way so that we can solve whatever issue they might be facing. Without this, youngsters can resort to negative ways to deal with their issues, such as consuming alcohol or using drugs. Social awareness. This means that youngsters should also take into account others' emotions and be empathetic. Comprehending the feelings and emotions of others and recognition of differences between individuals are the cornerstones of social awareness. Self management. This is keeping one's feelings in check and setting up and working towards positive goals. Youngsters, while going through puberty, go through a whirlwind of emotions. Therefore, they should learn how to manage their feelings and emotions. They should have the ability to sit back and then reflect and acknowledge their emotions. Shutting their feelings down can be harmful. Peer relationships. Peers have a lot of impact on any person, especially young adults. They have an impact on your day-to-day life, the decisions you take, and also your attitude. Peer pressure, although mostly looked as being negative, can also be positive, as it leads to fostering important social skills that are needed for every young adult's development and growth. Encouraging meaningful relationships can lead to better EQ in young adults and lesser negative peer influences and drug use. How to make healthy social connections. Though the major source of friendship for young adults is going to the same school or attending the same classes, they can also make connections with people through having similar interests. We can help these young adults having mutual interests start a club or enroll in an existing one that focuses on their interests. This can lead to lifelong friendships and developing social connections. Young adults can also inculcate these skills by doing community service or by being a part of an NGO. These promote positive values and helps them develop empathy. Talk to them about what true friendship is. A true friend does not influence you to try things that aren't good for you or judges you for not doing things that you aren't comfortable doing. Rather, a person who helps you become a better person and always supports you and helps you. Talk to them about role models of friendships. They can be real or fictional examples. This will show them what a true friend does and will also make them aware and help them stay away from negative peer influences. Enroll in activities where you would be allowed to foster and develop skills necessary for your personality development. Take up activities like debating or public speaking. These will help you blossom into a better person. Don't shy away from working in groups. While you may enjoy working on your own, working in groups teaches you important skills like team building, learning to take constructive criticism, and active learning. These will in turn help you in making healthy social connections. Start taking up positions of responsibility. For example, a teacher at school needs anyone to volunteer for a task and take it up on their own. This will help you in developing social skills and opening up in front of others.